Hello friends, today we will discuss the rent theory of profit, which is developed by American economist Francis L. Walker. Walker has said that profit is the rent of ability. He has made a comparative study between different grades of land and the different abilities of entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs of superior ability earn profits just as superior lands earns rent. So, Walker says just as there is the marginal or no rent land, similarly there exists a marginal or no profit entrepreneur who earns only wages of management. The marginal or no profit entrepreneur is the least efficient one, earning profit not beyond an amount just sufficient to keep him or carry on in his present industry. The industry managed and run by marginal entrepreneur is similar to marginal land, just as the land which is at margin is no rent land. Similarly, the marginal entrepreneur earns no profit. But there are other industries under the control of entrepreneurs possessing super abilities which yield profits. So the entrepreneur with superior ability earns profit as the reward over the ability of marginal or no profit entrepreneur. This can be said that essential nature of profit does not differ from that of rent, because we are aware that rent is a differential surplus accruing to the superior land over the marginal or no rent land. Similarly, the profit is a differential surplus which accrues to the superior ability of entrepreneur over the marginal or no profit entrepreneur. But this theory was criticized. First one is that this theory is unrealistic. Walker's view of profit as a surplus like rent is unrealistic, and it cannot be accepted as true approach of profit. The second one is it is not a true surplus, as Marshall has said that land can earn positive or zero rent, but in the case of firms, entrepreneur may have negative profits or losses also. Third one is profit only occurs in a dynamic state, but rent can emerge in both static and dynamic conditions, whereas profits we can find only in dynamic state. Fourth one is profit is not the gift of ability. Profit does not arise always due to superior ability of the entrepreneur. It may arise due to monopoly, innovation, risk, uncertainty, etc. The other criticism is that this theory overlooks the important function of entrepreneur as a risk bearer. From the profits of entrepreneur, we must deduct the losses sustained by some others who have driven to bankruptcy. When this is done, there may be no surplus element in profit, so the analogy to rent vanishes. Moreover, it fails to explain the profit of ordinary shareholders or joint stock company. This theory fails to explain the main causes of the size of profits. The differential gains arise because of the scarcity of superior units, either of land or of entrepreneurs. But the real thing is the explanation of the causes of the scarcity of superior units. In the case of the rent of land, the point is not of great importance because the limitation is due to the gift of nature. Land is the gift of nature, so there is limitation. Here the rent theory can throw no light on the fundamental questions.